for the new viewers, please subscribe.
So I think this is the one before the last one.
Okay, your
And it's
tool is
gonna
like
be
a
on
toolbox?
Huh?
A toolbox?
Yeah, it's a bag. It's a,
A
blue
bag?
bag. It's
A blue
gonna be
bag.
in the trunk.
Okay, okay. I got you.
Yeah. You will find it.
Alright, I got you. Now let's go get my boss's toolbox. Get a raid. On the way. I ain't talking to myself, blood. I am probably, but. Alright. Where's the alarm? Where is that? I'm gonna do it again. Where is that? Where that car at? I'm gonna do it one more time. Cause I don't know where that car at. Is it right here? Alright, that's it. Ding! Open up black toolbox. Yeah. You got it, and I'll be back with y'all boys. Yeah. They're giving my boss back his back. I didn't know they trust me so much. Here you go, sir.
Appreciate it, sir.
You're welcome. No problem, man.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Anytime. Cool. Back to work I go. Yo, that was so awesome. That was cool, bro. I don't know. That was just cool. Thank you.